Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare a khichdi and a coconut chutney as a side dish for it. Ingredients for this khichdi are: I have taken 2 glasses of raw rice and quarter glass of moong dal. For masala, garlic pods, 8 to 10 garlic pods, 1 piece of ginger, coriander leaves, clove and cinnamon, coriander seeds, 1 onion and a little bit of turmeric. See, I have taken 2 glasses of rice. For this we have to take only quarter glass of moong dal. I am showing quarter glass of moong dal. This is the perfect proportion for this khichdi. For 2 glass of rice, quarter glass of moong dal. First we have to dry roast the moong dal. Switch on the stove. Take a pan. Let it get heated. It's heated. We will add the moong dal to it and fry it, roast it. Now it is roasted. We will switch off the stove and we will add it in the rice itself. Now we will add this roasted moong dal in the rice and we will wash it thoroughly. For this khichdi, we have to prepare a masala. For that, take a mixie jar, add ginger and garlic, clove and cinnamon, coriander seeds, 1 small cut onion, half a spoon of turmeric, then coriander leaves. We will make a paste of it. Switch on the stove, take a cooker, let it get heated. By the time cooker get heated, I will show the ingredients for the tempering. Oil, 1 string of curry leaves, 1 cut onion, that is small size of onion. Both for masala and this tempering, you have to take small size of onion, not small onions. And mustard seeds, little bit of turmeric. This is for tempering of the khichdi. And for cooking, required amount of water. Now add oil to the cooker. Add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Let it get heated. Now oil is heated. Add mustard seeds. Keep the flame on a low mode. Add curry leaves. Then onion. It is not necessary to cook onions fully. Add a little bit of turmeric. Then add washed rice and fried moong dal mixture. Add just for 2-3 seconds. Mix it and add it. Just fry for 2 to 3 seconds. Add all the ingredients and mix it thoroughly. Fry it for just 2 to 3 seconds. Now I am going to add the grinded masala to it. Now time to add the required amount of water. Here I am adding water, that is for 1 glass of rice, 1.5 glass of water. For 1 glass of rice, 1.5. another 1 glass of rice, 1.5 glass of water, and for moong dal half glass of water. If you want soggy khichdi, you can add 1:2 water. If you want little dry type of khichdi, you add just 1:1.5 water is enough for this. If you want soggy, 1:2. Now time to add salt to it. Add required amount of salt. You can always taste it and add more or less according to your taste. Now I have added salt and mixed it thoroughly. Time to close the lid. Now put the weight on it. Let it get 3 whistles. At this time you keep the flame on a high one. By the time khichdi get cooked, we will prepare chutney for this. Take a bowl of coconut. Ingredients for this are 1 bowl of coconut, required amount of green chili and tamarind. It is purely optional. If you want, you can add or else leave it. And then salt. Just 3-4 ingredients only. We will prepare the chutney. First we will add coconut to mixie jar. Then required amount of green chilies, little amount of tamarind, salt according to taste. We will grind it. Now I have grinded the chutney and it is ready. We will give a tempering for it. Add little bit oil. Let it get heated. Now add hing, mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Just few curry leaves and we will add it to the chutney. Now khichdi is done. Cooker has cooled. We'll check it. Perfectly done. We will mix with a light hand and then khichdi and chutney is ready and we will serve it. Now khichdi and chutney is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Again, this is a gift from my Nani. She used to prepare it very tastefully. Thank you.